Hi guys, welcome back to Autobrite Direct, another how-to video using our ceramic shield range of products. So this is our ultra ceramic spray wax. It applies like a traditional spray wax, but it's got ceramic infused properties, so it gives you really hydrophobic properties. It's quite durable as well for a spray wax. We're looking at durability of around about 3 months for an application of this product. It can be used in conjunction with our other ceramic shield products, so Magiseal and our ceramic infused shampoo as well, or you can use this as a standalone product. It will go over the top of a standard type sealant, so if you're using something like Ultra Slick for example, or Supersonic or something like that, you can still use this wax on top of there and it will still provide an extra durable layer of protection as well. It's good for any surface, so it can be used on paintwork, it can be used on rubbers, it can be used on plastics. The only thing we don't recommend is obviously if you're using it on glass. It's a really easy product to use. It goes a long way, so you don't need to use a lot of this product. Nick's going to come in and show you just how much you actually use. There you go, Nick. Okay, so he's going to mist a little bit onto the applicator. He's going to mist a little bit onto the panel. Now the amount of wax he's put on there will go really far. So what he's going to do, unlike with a traditional wax, he wants to spread that out and actually cover quite a large area. Now normally with a traditional wax, once you've applied it to a panel, you would then leave it. With this one, you want to keep buffing it until it almost starts to disappear. There's no actual curing time with this wax either, so you don't need to leave this on 5-10 minutes before removal. What you want to do is spread it. Once you got to the point where it's almost invisible, take your buffing towel, remove it. It does require around about an hour to cure before applying an additional layer, and it needs around about 12 hours to cure before it becomes fully water resistant as well. So if you're going to apply this and then you want to rewash it, or you're going to get it in really heavy rainfall, we would recommend leaving it for at least 12 hours or overnight. So if you've applied it correctly, it should be really easy to remove. There shouldn't be a lot of sticky residue. Okay, so easy as that. So that will now give a really nice slick finish, and it will leave a nice hydrophobic layer as well. So Nick could have continued with that. He could have gone over the headlights, could have gone over the bumpers, the wings, any of these areas, even the plastics on the wing mirrors as well. It will go over any of these areas. To maintain this product, we recommend using our ceramic infused shampoo. So if you just want to wax your vehicle, you don't want to seal it, you don't want to apply any other products, use this wax and then maintain it with the ceramic infused shampoo. That will then top the protection up, and it'll add to the protection each time you wash. You can also put this on after using Magiseal. So with this vehicle, what we've done is we've Magisealed it and then we've waxed it as well. And then when we maintain it to wash it, we then wash it with the ceramic shield shampoo. If we then want to reapply a protection, we can choose either to reapply our ceramic hybrid wax, or we can choose to reapply the Magiseal. Either one of those will work. It will work, any of these ceramic shield products will work with any of the other products in our range, but to get the best durability out of them, we do recommend using them as a family. Okay guys, thanks very much for watching. I'll see you again soon.